everybody, what's up? I decided to film another vlog this weekend because you guys seem to like the first one, so why not do it again? Yeah, right now I'm about to run to my mailbox because it's Saturday and I think I got a few packages. Yeah, just a chill outfit. I just have on this cropped hoodie and some high-waisted leggings and a jean jacket. So I'm about to run to the mailbox. Ooh, I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to be doing a full review on this spin brush. I've been using this for like 3-4 days now, and I'm kind of excited to share with you guys like my results. So be looking out for that. I do have a key, so that means I have something in my locker. So let's see. Oh yeah, baby, hit the jackpot. I'm so excited because I wasn't expecting all this stuff to be in here, but let me get it together. I need to start working out because this is ridiculous. Most of the stuff from Misguided is here, so I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing my very first try on haul for you guys, so be looking out for that. This is another wig from Sam's Beauty, so that'll be coming probably this week coming up. I'm not sure when this will go up there yet. And then I also got a package. I got sent something. I don't want to give it away because I want you guys to see what it is when I upload the video, but I got sent something to unbox for you guys, so I think that's what this is. Okay, so I am so out of breath. You guys just don't understand. This is kind of ridiculous. I honestly need to start on my spring cleaning because I literally have so many clothes. Like, it is ridiculous. I have so many clothes. Most of them I don't wear, which is really obnoxious. I'm gonna go through my closet, and I have like a tote that I need to go through and see if I can get rid of some stuff. By get rid of, I mean like give away or donate. So I haven't done a spring cleaning like this in a long time as far as like my wardrobe goes. So I'm probably gonna have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. Oh, look at these pimples. I have one right here, one right here. So annoying, so annoying. But yeah, let's get to it. So all together I was able to get 4 bags of stuff that I'm going to be donating, so that's really good. I'm excited about that. This is kind of what it's looking like. It's still a little like messy, but it's a lot better than before. I just have like my work clothes mainly and like dress stuff on hangers, and then all my casual stuff is up here folded. I really need to just go ahead and invest in like a dresser, but the only downside to that is the dresser that I really want goes with my vanity, and this stuff is really expensive, so I've kind of been holding off on purchasing that, but I need to just go ahead and like invest in my dresser. And then over here I just kind of have like my purses and stuff. These are like my bags that I just keep on the shelf over here. Alright y'all, so I started on dinner and I'm making like a oven baked chicken fried rice. It's actually really good. I did find this recipe online, but this marinade that I'm doing and the seasoning that I do for the chicken is something that I created on my own. I have it seasoned with all of this stuff right here, a little ginger, a little garlic, and some Creole seasoning, pepper of course, and then the marinade I just used some soy sauce and some rice vinegar. guys just don't understand. This has like been my favorite recipe to make since I've found it, and it just smells so good. It's pretty easy to make and it lasts for a while. So yeah, chicken fried rice made in the oven. I'm so hungry. I'm about to eat now. Good morning. So I kind of slept in today, but I'm about to excuse me, get ready for the day and get some breakfast because my stomach is really growling. This pimple is driving me absolutely nuts. Yum. This is like my favorite breakfast at the moment. It is blueberry lemon overnight oats. It's really good for you and it's super filling. You make it at night and then it's ready for you in the morning. Alright guys, so I got my life together, if you can't tell. Just a real simple look today. Let me show you some of the products that I've been loving. So this stuff I unboxed in my last vlog. It is the OFRA Energizing Elixir. I love it because it has anti-aging properties and it also smooths and renews your skin, so it's perfect for the morning time. And then the Cool as Cucumber moisturizing primer. This is also really good for the morning time because it just kind of like smooths all your imperfections. This is all gone. So this is just a Dow Face under eye serum. It's called serum, but it looks more like a cream. It really brightens up the under eye, and it also, you can like actually feel it working. And I love this stuff in the morning. And then just like my go-to makeup for no makeup look, this is literally all that I use. This has literally become my favorite mascara. It's the Grande mascara by Grande Cosmetics. Love this stuff. It makes my lashes look so long. I love using the Sacha Buttercup, and this is the Buttercup Light, because it just keeps the oil at bay throughout the day. It sets the little bit of concealer that I've used, and yeah. Alright, so I finally got everything loaded into the car, and now I'm just headed to the donation place. So alright, so I just dropped off the stuff that I was donating. Now I am headed to Starbucks first, and then I'm gonna swing by Sally's. I need to get a protein treatment. Since my hair has been straight for so long, I really want to just kind of like give it a protein treatment. I kind of want to try a actual protein treatment, like the Afro G protein treatment, the 2-step protein treatment. I want to try that, so I'm gonna go to Sally's and see if they have it. Also, I've been thinking about changing my hair color, and I want to know what you guys think. My hair's been blonde for probably a year now. It was balayaged, but that has since grown out, and it's kind of at this awkward stage where, like, before the blonde was a lot higher on my head, so you could like actually see it when my hair was in a ponytail or in a bun. Like, you could see it like on my actual head. But since my hair has grown out so much, the blonde is literally just in my ponytail or just like in my bun, especially when I wear my hair up on top of my head. And I actually hate the way that looks. Like, I think it looks so tacky. Like, I just hate it. I just hate it. I love green tea. Like, I didn't used to like tea, but I kind of got on like a green tea kick, and like I was drinking it every day with honey and lemon, and it was so good. So now I'm on my way to Sally's. Let me know in the comment section below, should I stay blonde and just retouch my balayage, or should I go darker? Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you like the like hair on me? Do you think my hair should be dark again? I just want to know what you guys think. I like to know what other people think, like, because maybe I think this blonde looks good and it really doesn't. I drove all the way over here to this Sally's because, let's face it, this Sally's has the best hair care for like African American natural hair. So let's go in here and see what we can find. Guys, so now I'm really just editing. I thought I was gonna have it up for you guys tomorrow, but it's looking like I'm probably not, because I still haven't uploaded all of it yet and I feel like it's gonna take a while. It'll probably be up on Wednesday. I'm just editing everything right now. If you guys haven't already watched my most recent video, then make sure you go check it out. It is up on my channel now. I'm reacting to Cardi B's new album. So yeah, go check that out if you guys want to. And yeah. But yeah guys, that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs in the future. I'm gonna try to vlog more. I'm still getting used to it, but it's really fun. So I'm gonna try to vlog more for you guys. And yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.